Welcome to my YouTube channel Speak with Art. First conditional sentences. If it rains tomorrow, we'll stay indoors. If I pass my exam, I'll treat myself to a nice dinner. If the sun comes out, we'll go for a picnic. If you work hard, you'll achieve your goals. If we leave early, we'll catch the train. If I get hungry, I'll make a sandwich. If she studies more, she'll improve her grades. If they invite us, we'll definitely attend the party. If the shop is open, I'll buy some milk. If you call me, I'll answer immediately. If it gets cold, we'll light the fireplace. If you save money, you'll be able to travel. If we hurry, we'll arrive on time. If you listen carefully, you'll understand better. If the road is blocked, we'll take another route. If I see him, I'll tell him the news. If you forget your keys, you'll be locked out. If she smiles, she'll look even prettier. If they help us, we'll finish sooner. If I find your book, I'll return it to you. If the internet works, we'll join the meeting. If the weather improves, we'll go for a walk. If the teacher is absent, we'll have a free period. If you speak slowly, I'll understand you better. If they arrive late, we'll start without them. If I win the lottery, I'll buy a house. If you touch that wire, you'll get an electric shock. If he studies medicine, he'll become a doctor. If the shop sells it, I'll buy it from there. If the movie is good, we'll recommend it. If we see snow, we'll take photos. If you drink too much coffee, you'll stay awake all night. If I forget my umbrella, I'll get wet. If they call me back, I'll give you the update. If we work together, we'll finish quickly. If the bus is late, we'll take a taxi. If she calls, I'll tell her you're busy. If you don't hurry, you'll miss the bus. If we don't water the plants, they'll die. If you play with fire, you'll get burned. If the phone rings, I'll answer it. If the meeting ends early, we'll go for coffee. If they open a new shop, I'll check it out. If I see a bargain, I'll buy it. If the food tastes bad, we'll complain. If she trains hard, she'll win the race. If the alarm goes off, we'll evacuate the building. If we get lost, we'll use the map. If it's too hot, we'll go swimming. If the dog barks, I'll check outside. If the lights go out, we'll use candles. If the plane is delayed, we'll wait at the airport. If you lend me money, I'll pay you back. If we save time, we'll explore the city. If you press this button, the machine will start. If I'm free tomorrow, I'll visit you. If they offer a discount, I'll buy more. If the park is crowded, we'll go somewhere else. If you keep practicing, you'll become fluent. If she likes the dress, she'll buy it. If I get a promotion, I'll celebrate. If the baby sleeps, we'll have some quiet time. If the weather is bad, we'll cancel the trip. If you take a taxi, you'll get there faster. If they change the rules, we'll adapt. If I find your pen, I'll return it. If you need help, I'll assist you. If the teacher explains it, you'll understand. If we order pizza, everyone will be happy. If the sun sets, we'll head home. If I see a rainbow, I'll take a photo. If the concert sells out, we'll watch online. If the water boils, I'll make tea. If the shop closes early, we'll go tomorrow. If I feel tired, I'll take a nap. If the baby cries, I'll pick him up. If the computer crashes, we'll lose our work. If you drive too fast, you'll get a ticket. If the flowers bloom, we'll take pictures. If the food smells good, I'll eat it. If you shout, you'll wake the neighbors. If the music is loud, we'll turn it down. If I find my glasses, I'll read the book. If the train is on time, we'll reach before lunch. If you wear that coat, you'll stay warm. If they paint the room, it'll look fresh. If I get bored, I'll watch a movie. If the restaurant is full, we'll eat somewhere else. If the road is clear, we'll arrive early. If you pay in cash, you'll get a discount. If I drop this glass, it'll break. If the sky is clear, we'll see the stars. If you post the letter, it'll arrive in time. If the cake rises, it'll look perfect. If we plant more trees, the air will be cleaner. If you leave the door open, the cat will escape. If they play well, they'll win the match. Thanks for watching.